Welcome to Jeddah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Where are you taking him? 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 Member of Parliament. Member of Parliament. Member of Parliament. Where are you taking him? This is happening on an international airport. They are coming to the plane. They are coming to the plane. This is happening at the international airport. The President and Honorable Kirumira Hassan, Chagulanyi Center have been whisked away by SFC members. No, you cannot push me out. I come on this plane. You must wait. You must wait. You cannot push me out. They are arresting Honorable Hassan Kirumira and the President have been whisked away. This is an airplane. You cannot push me out. No way. You cannot push me out. What you're doing is wrong. I'm a member of Parliament. You cannot pick me out of the plane. You cannot. I'm a member of Parliament. You cannot pick me out of the plane. What you're doing is wrong. And you're violating international laws. You wicked people. You wicked people. Why whisk away the President? Chagulanyi Center must be whisked away.